my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a Mystery Claire's unboxing. My mum went online and bought me this. So before we start this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe. So this is all the stuff my mum got from Claire's. My mum said they're 50% off. I'm going to show you them one by one and rate them out of 1 to 10. So this is my first item. It's got a unicorn case and 3 tags, surprisingly. Only it's supposed to have 1, but yeah. It's got like a sort of rainbowy pattern. So let's try this on. It smells a bit like, I'm not actually sure what this smells like. It smells nice though. I'd say this one out of 1 to 10 is probably 9 because, an 8 because although it's beautiful, when you put it on, it's kind of a bit like, it feels like you've got tiny mini rocks on it a bit, but that's all the problem is, but it's still good. This is my next item. It's a makeup palette. It's got a unicorn on it as well, and some 2 stars and a lot of glitter. Shaky. Oh, it's cool. Now let's see what's in here. Ooh, these are pretty. So first, we've got the brushes and my favorite, and this is my favorite color palette because it's blue, turquoise, or cyan, and the brushes are cyan as well. It's cute. So I really like these colors. We've got nice lip glosses, and nice eyeshadows. My favorite lip gloss would probably be this one or one of these because they're really like dark. And I like dark, but I also like light because dark stands out more, but light is more sweet colour. Yeah, and this palette is, so this palette is going to be rated 8 as well. Actually, I might change my score. I think it's probably a 9 because I love the lip glosses and I like the eyeshadows and the brushes. So my next item is going to be this. So in this one, we've got bracelet, ring and necklace. The ring is really cool. So my rating of this one is probably a 7 as well. The hairsprays. So there's quite a lot of them. So I like these hairsprays. There's glitter, pink and purple. So I'll show you what it looks like in a bit of my hair, but not all of it. I'm going to use this pink one because I like it. So this is the pink one. And I'm going to use some glitter over the top of it to give it the bling. So we're just going to let that dry through. So I don't really think the colours come out that much. I mean, look at it. So these hair colours could be used for parties if you'd like a little bling. And the darker ones are probably, I'd recommend a bit because the lighter ones don't really stand out. So my rate for these is probably gonna be a 6 because they don't really stand out that good, but it is nice as well. So this is my next item. Here we've got butterflies. Here we've got unicorns. And here we've got flowers. So the one that I'm gonna wear is probably gonna be the unicorns. If I can get them off. So my rate for these is probably gonna be a 6 as well because when you clip them on, they might catch your hair and it's hard to get out. So this is a beautiful eyeshadow glitter palette. It's really beautiful. Oh, and the rate of this one is an 8 because they're beautiful. My favourite item of all of these is this lip gloss because it's really beautiful and it's just my favourite. I'm going to be doing a makeup video on this because it's really beautiful and it's got loads of stuff in it. But mostly because it's really beautiful. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the Claire's makeup video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe.